it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to decorate my bedroom in my apartment. If you don't know, I've been doing this video every single year since my freshman year of college, and I'm going to be a senior now, so this is my 4th time. I will link all the other videos that I've done. I basically go through everything, how I want to decorate, where I'm getting things from. I will be doing a haul. The stuff is right here. I'm gonna film it quite literally right after this. I love interior design. I love decorating. I'm not a professional. I'm not even majoring in interior design. I'm a marketing major. I'm in college, but I'm going into my senior year, and every year I always redecorate my bedroom. By the way, low-key, I've been making like a whole TikTok series about how I decorated everything, all the DIYs I did. People are asking me how I afford to do it. I tell you guys some of the ways like I save money and stuff. I made that all on TikTok. That's just like such a side note. I love redecorating my room. I love reusing things. I love DIYing things. I thought I'd show you guys what I'm gonna do for my senior year bedroom. I'm moving into an apartment. It's a completely different apartment than I was living in last year, so if you guys want to see my bedroom last year, I loved it. I thought it was so beautiful, but I'm excited for this year, just a different vibe. I created a mood board. If you guys are wondering how I created the mood board, I made a whole TikTok about how I create my mood board. They really help when designing, letting you know what you need, what you don't need, if things will look good, if they won't. This is the mood board that I have come up with for this room. I think it is so beautiful. I'm so excited about it. Let's just start with the main focus, and that is the bed. The bed comes with my apartment. So my apartment comes furnished. I think it comes with a nightstand, a desk, a bed, and a dresser. I'm planning on putting the dresser into the closet. If you guys can see, I literally took the floor plan of my apartment and laid it out the way that I want it to. It's not a very big room, so I'm gonna have to have the bed kind of on the same wall as the door, which I know isn't super cute, but I really hate having my bed up against a wall. It makes it so annoying when you have to make your beds. I personally prefer it to be a little moved to the sides. I'll have my nightstands on each side. So the bed comes with a headboard, so I'm really hoping that I'm able to take the headboard off. That is what I did last year, and it worked out perfect for me, thank goodness. But if I can't take the headboard off, it still might work. It just might not look as good. I photoshopped this, but I initially saw a girl, her name's Alicia, she's on TikTok, and she was showing a DIY of her decorating her bedroom, and I saw this like wooden wall thing that she had, and I absolutely loved it. I thought it was incredible. It was amazing. And then I remember I've been seeing these like wooden walls like this a lot around. I love going to model homes and like just like looking at them. I think it's so fun. And I remember like the week before I saw it, I took a photo of one of the wooden walls, and I never thought that it was something that I could do, but I saw that she just bought wooden planks and then command stripped them to the wall, and I was like, that is genius. I want to do that. I'm literally planning on getting like wooden planks from like Home Depot or Lowe's and command stripping them to the wall. It actually is so smart because I was doing the math on it. It saves so much money. A like wooden plank is like $1, and let's say I need 15 of them, that's 15. My bedroom before, I had a headboard, I had those mirror shelves, I had all the decor on them. It was a lot of things that really added up. So like $15 for a headboard and like for like a decoration wall, I didn't think that was a horrible price. So I'm really excited to do that. And then I'm going to reuse the same throw blanket that I had in my apartment last year. It's from Target. I love it. It's like the best quality ever. It's so beautiful, so like luxurious. So I really wanted to use that again. And then I got some new white bedding just because mine was like getting old. It was a different vibe. These actually aren't the nightstands that I bought. I bought them last night. I bought nightstands with 2 drawers. I just felt like my room would not have a ton of storage, so I wanted to get ones with more storage. I got them from Walmart. Walmart will price match anything, so I got it from there because that was the cheapest price that I could get them at, and they come the day after I move in, so I'll have to build those. I didn't buy any of these like body or like pretty mold candles. I really want some, but I just haven't bought them yet. I don't know if I will. If anyone knows of any good places to buy them, the only places that I've really looked were Amazon, and I didn't love them that I saw on Amazon. Maybe I should look on Etsy. I love a good like body candle, but it also kind of hit me that I'm buying a lot of like little decor things, and I won't have anywhere to put them besides my nightstand and my desk because I plan on putting my dresser in my closet. I don't really know about that, but one thing that will save some room is I got sconces instead of lamps. I had lamps last year and I absolutely loved them. They were beautiful, except for they took up all the space on my nightstands. Like there was no space for me to even put my laptop or anything. So I wanted to get sconces this year. I'm literally going to command strip them. I got them from Amazon. The girl that made the video that I took inspiration from had sconces, and I was like, I love it. So I really want to go for like a cream, neutral, and gold look. I don't know why, but in my head, every time I think of the vibe that I'm going for, it's like an old money aesthetic. I don't know why old money keeps going in my head. Maybe it's because I love like an antique-y gold look. An old money gold cream neutral aesthetic. That is really what I want to go for. So I got these sconces. I think they're super cute. I also got a ton of picture frames with like gold frames to put around my room. Next thing we have here is my desk. So one thing that I really wanted to get was a round golden mirror. I ended up getting one from Amazon, and I just think that it really widens a room. I know so many people roasted me last year about how many mirrors I had in my room, but my room was tiny. tiny. My room was like this big. It was a shoebox. You could barely walk around in it. And anytime that people came in my room, they were like, oh my god, it looks so much bigger on camera than it is in real life. So many people told me that. Like multiple people. And I remember thinking like, it's because of the mirrors. The mirrors just make a room look so much bigger. I wanted to get a nice big round mirror because I felt like it would reflect a lot. It's a lot bigger than the mirror that I already had. The mirror that I already had was like a little square mirror, and I just thought it'd be nice for putting makeup on and just make the room look bigger. I know a desk does come with my room because my apartment is furnished. That's how a lot of like college apartments where I live are. They give you furniture. The furniture is not very great. It's very cheap. Last year I actually ended up bringing the desk that came with my apartment to my parents' house, and the desk at my parents' house, not this one but one that looks very like this, to my apartment. And that's the desk that I have in this photo. If you guys don't know, it's the Mickey desk from IKEA. It's incredible. I love that desk. I'm kind of considering doing the same thing again. We'll see the furniture. Apparently they're getting all new furniture this year. All the furniture had they got rid of, and they got all new furniture for my apartment. I hope it'll be nice, but I kind of just feel like I would prefer a desk like this just because there's a lot more storage. It's a lot bigger and I think it looks cuter. But I'll also have like picture frames and lamps and stuff. I need like floor lamps. I really want to make the room as bright as possible. From the photos, it doesn't look like a really bright room. The floor plan that I have for this room, it's a small room. There's only one little window. I'm planning on putting like the bed against the wall. You kind of walk in, and then the desk on the same wall as the door. I feel like that might make the most sense. And then I want to mount my TV maybe on the wall close to the bathroom. I am really excited though that we have our own walk-in closet and bathrooms in this apartment. It's going to be so nice. We'll have more storage there because of that, so I am really excited about that. And then over here I have this giant mirror from IKEA that I wanted to get like contact paper or even spray paint the edges gold. I don't know why every single time I've gone to IKEA it's been sold out. I haven't seen it anywhere. I think that's really annoying. I do have a floor length mirror, but I feel like it's not gonna go with the vibe of the room. But I really do want that mirror, but I don't know where it is. Every single time I go to IKEA I cannot find it, but I do really want a pretty floor length mirror. I don't know exactly where I would put it because I thought that I would put it, do you see the wall like by the tub? I thought I would put it there. I have 3 picture frames that I might do like a little gallery wall with there, so I might do that instead. And then I also have this floor lamp from Target because like I said, I need to add more light, more visual. The room needs to be brighter. I really wanted to do that. If anyone has any good like floor length gold mirrors that aren't too expensive, please let me know. Ideally I'd love like a rounded one, but those just get really expensive. Also other little things for decorating the room. For the throw pillows, I went with throw pillows that were just neutral throw pillows that kind of matched the blanket. I want it to be a very simple room. I kind of almost want it to feel like a spa, if we're being quite honest here. I want it to be very relaxing, really homey, but I also don't want to spend a ton of money. A lot of the things I'm reusing, I'm actually selling. A lot of things, like I'm selling my old lamps, my old nightstands to be able to like pay for some new things. I'm reusing a lot of stuff, most of the throw pillows, the throw blanket. I think that it will go really well. I think that the design that I chose is just super cute. I feel like it really fits my personality, fits me really well, and I hope that you guys like it. I hope that you guys are excited for me to move in. I feel like by the time that I've uploaded this video, I will have already moved in, so check out some of my videos. I'm sure I've done like a move-in vlog or a haul of some of the stuff that I got for my apartment. Subscribe if you're not already, and yeah, follow me on Instagram, TikTok. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!